Coventry, 1940. That was the day that I knew I had to join for the fight of our country. As I signed up in the registration office, not a slight of hesitation went through my mind, but I knew that as soon as I signed, I saw Edith, her face, my wedding day, the happiest moment of my life. It was from that moment, though, that my heart sank. Maybe if I get injured, or maybe if she does, and I'm not there to protect her, or maybe I never return. The day had arrived. As I slowly walked through the kitchen in my smartly pressed uniform, Edith, my wife, looked at me, and her face was full of pride. "How handsome you look," she said. And I replied, holding her hand, "It'll be okay, my love. We'll meet again, I promise." As I waved goodbye, a sudden lump in my throat had tightened, and I was struggling to hold back the tears for Edith. November 14th, 1940, Operation Moonlight Sonata. That was the worst of the nights. Over 550 people had died, and constant bombing raids had been going on throughout the night. That night, I was with the Royal Marines. We didn't stand a chance, and our fight, our lives, we were lost. I never got to see Edith or say goodbye. I failed her with my promise. I failed to keep her alive and failed to keep her safe. But hopefully now I'll be able to see her in another place, where we can be together once again. Good night, my love.
Let's say goodbye with a smile, dear, just for a while, dear, we must part. Don't let the parting upset you, I won't forget you, sweetheart. Let's say goodbye with a smile, dear, just for a while, dear, we must part. Don't let the parting upset you, I won't forget you, sweetheart. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day.
Remember me. Duty called, and I went to war. Though I'd never fired a gun before,
I paid the price for your new day.
As all my dreams were blown away.
remember me. We all stood true as whistles blew,
And faced the shell and stench of hell.
Now battle's done, there is no sound.
Our bones decay beneath the ground.
we cannot see or smell or hear.
There is no death or hope or fear.
Remember me.
Once we like you would laugh and talk,
And run and walk and do the things that you all do.
but now we lie and row so neat.
Beneath the soil, beneath your feet.
Remember me.
In mud and gore and the blood of war.
We fought and fell, and move no more. Remember me, I'm not dead.
I'm
Just
a
a voice
in your head.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we will remember them. When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today.